Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tutor at Home. Today our topic is what is subject, object, predicate in a sentence. I know it gets confusing for you to understand the difference between these three things, but I hope after watching this video you will be able to understand the concept of subject, predicate and object completely. So let's begin. Basically, a sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. But here I have divided it into three parts, subject, predicate and object, so that you can easily differentiate between these three. So let us start and see what is subject. Subject is the one which tells us who or what the sentence is about, which means that subject is someone or something which initiates an action in a sentence. It is a cause of an action. A very easy definition to remember is that subject is a doer of an action. For example, Ali is eating food. Ali is the subject of this sentence because he is the one who has initiated the action of eating food. I hope it helped you in understanding the concept of subject. So now let's look what is predicate. Predicate basically tells us what is being done in a sentence. One, who is doing that action in is the subject, whereas the later part which informs us what is being done is the predicate. It gives us detail about the subject, what the subject is doing, how and when it is doing. Predicate contains verb as its main element and with all the other elements which describe the action of a subject. Then comes object of a sentence. Object is a receiver of an action. Subject initiates an action on the object in a sentence. Object tells us on which person or a thing action is being done. It is something on which action takes place. The key points to remember about the significance of understanding the concept of a subject are that the most important part of our sentences are verbs, and subject helps us in determining which degree of verb is to be used in a particular sentence. Number of subjects are directly related to the degree of verb. Subject is mostly noun or pronoun. We have already talked about predicate in great length. Here is a recap of its definition. Predicate is basically something or a part of a sentence which gives us necessary details about the subject. Now let us see how to identify a subject in a sentence. Firstly, locate the main verb in a sentence. Once you know which action is being done, then you can easily locate the subject who is initiating that action. Here I am using I love you as an example to make it easy for you to understand. Consider I and you as two people and love as a main verb. So the action of loving is being done by I and you is the one being loved. Therefore, I is the subject who loves you and you is the object being the receiver of I's love. I hope it helped you. Let us look into more examples. Here I have given you basic definitions of subject, predicate and object so it becomes easy for you to identify them in the examples. Let's see. We went to the park. Look at the definition of subject. Subject is a doer of an action. The action of going to the park is done by we. So we is the subject here. Since the predicate tells us what is the subject doing, in this sentence, subject we is going to the park. So went to the park is the predicate of this sentence, and park being the receiver is an object here. Another example to make it more clear, the kids are eating lunch. Doer of an action is the subject, and kids are the doer of an action of eating lunch. So kids are the subject. Lunch is being eaten by the kids. It is receiving the action of eating. So it is the object of the sentence. Are eating lunch is the predicate which tells us what these kids are doing. Now that the concept of subject predicate is clear, I want you to look at the other examples and try to locate subject, object, and predicate in them on your own and see if you have grasped the concept completely. Let us go through these examples now. She brushed her hair. She is the one who is doing the action of brushing. So she is the subject. Brushed her hair is predicate which tells us what she, the subject, is doing. And hair is the object that is being brushed. Number 2 example. Alexa and I played basketball at park. Alexa and I are subject. Played basketball is the predicate and park is the subject where Alexa and I are playing basketball. Similarly, the other two examples, I painted the pot blue. I is the subject that is initiating the action of painting. Pot is the receiver of an action and painted the pot is the predicate. Catherine threw the paper ball at Eric. Catherine is the subject as she has initiated the action of throwing the paper ball. Eric is the one who is being hit by the ball, so he is an object because he is the receiver of Catherine's action. Threw the paper ball is the predicate. Here I would also like to mention that mostly predicate is confused with verb. It is thought that predicate is verb or verb is predicate, which is not really the case. Predicate is a part of a sentence which includes verb as a key component, and it also contains other parts of a speech which gives us details about the action of the subject. Whereas verb is the class of words which helps us in expressing an action or a state of being. I hope this video helped you in clearing up your concept regarding subject, object, and predicate. Please do share your feedback and stay tuned for more videos.